Okay, so imagine, right? Imagine being able to like knock out a killer property listing in like seconds.
Whoa.
That's just one of the wild things we're going to be digging into today.
Oh, wow.
We're taking a deep dive into this course description.
Okay.
It's called AI Prompting for Real Estate Agents.
Interesting.
And it's put together by TecKnowledge LLC.
Okay, cool.
So if anyone out there listening is like even a little bit curious about how AI is like seriously shaking up real estate,
Yeah,
then stick around because this deep dive is for you.
for sure.
We found some seriously surprising things in this course description.
Oh, yeah, like what?
Like this, AI can help agents write emails,
Oh, okay.
create like amazing marketing materials, and even close deals way faster.
Really?
Yeah. So this course, like, it really jumps right into this problem
Okay.
that a lot of agents are like dealing with these days,
Yeah.
traditional real estate methods.
Right.
They're just not like cutting it anymore in the age of AI.
Totally. Agents are like constantly swamped with tasks,
Oh, for sure.
writing listings, sending personalized messages, trying to create engaging content for like social media and stuff.
Right, right.
It's a lot.
Yeah.
It really is.
And it seems like this course is saying that using AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, and Gemini could be like part of the solution.
Definitely.
I'm really curious, like, what can these tools actually do for a busy real estate agent?
So each one brings something kind of unique to the table.
Okay.
ChatGPT, for instance.
Yeah.
It can write these really compelling property descriptions.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
imagine, right? You get a first draft of your listing
Yeah.
in seconds.
That's amazing.
Yeah. And then there's DALL-E,
Okay.
which can create virtual tours.
Whoa, hold on. That saves so much time and resources.
That's
Lord and food.
incredible. And then you have Gemini,
Hmm.
which can analyze market data, which is like super helpful for setting that listing price to
Okay.
get that perfect price point.
That's powerful stuff.
Yeah.
I got to admit, though, the idea of using AI for like all this stuff, it feels kind of like magic to me.
You know what you mean?
Like, how does it even work?
Yeah,
So the course mentions prompt engineering.
right.
What exactly is that?
So it's basically like giving the AI really clear instructions.
Okay.
So you get back exactly what you need. Let's say you want a listing
Yeah.
that highlights how close a property is to like great schools.
Right.
With prompt engineering, you learn how to like phrase your request in just the right way.
Okay.
So the AI focuses on those keywords and features that are going to like really appeal to families.
Oh, that's interesting. So
Yeah.
you're kind of like training the AI to understand exactly what you're looking for.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the course, it really goes deep on how to do this effectively,
Okay.
which can then let agents, scale their business and just become way more efficient.
That makes sense.
They even say that the course can help you become a better closer. Yeah, by using AI to analyze those market trends and then pinpoint like the ideal buyer for a property.
Whoa, that's next level.
It is.
So, okay, let's say someone's thinking about checking out this course. Like, what are the practical details?
Sure. So it's all online.
Right.
Only takes about an hour and 15 minutes to complete,
That's not bad.
and it costs $99.
Okay, so pretty accessible.
Yeah,
Sounds like it could be a really valuable investment.
for sure.
Oh, and they do mention there's a 24-hour cancellation policy.
Right. Just in case something comes up.
Exactly.
Life happens.
It does.
But thinking beyond this particular course,
Yeah.
the big takeaway for me is that AI is changing the real estate industry, and it's happening really fast.
For sure.
It seems like this course is a great way to, get a head start.
Absolutely. AI is not some like far off concept anymore.
Nope.
It's here.
It's here.
It's happening now, and it's like changing how things work.
Big time.
Yeah.
Here's something to think about. What other professions could, really benefit from these AI tools and these new techniques?
That's a good question.
Like, how will AI continue to change the way we work in, every industry?
Mm-hmm.
It's a pretty exciting time to be, paying attention to all this.
I completely agree.
Yeah.
For those who want to learn more, be sure to check out the full course description from TecKnowledge LLC.
Absolutely. It's worth a look.
Definitely worth a look.